Welcome to another episode of Basically E-Waste with Big Daddy Slim.
Alright, well, as you can see here, I have this box from Goodwill. Came in the other day. It was supposed to be a Xbox 360 fat version, untested. So let's see what they decided to send. It's the first time I'm opening this. Paper. A lot of paper. There is the boy. The boy is wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap, but I guess I'll figure out how to open this. Jeez, there's like half a roll of tape on this thing. I don't even know where to begin. Oh, there she is. There she is. Alright. Get out! Oh. Uh-oh. Alright, well, she is very dirty. Oh, there's things falling out of it. I think that was the spring for the flapper, because that is missing. It's actually right here. Has this console ever been opened? No. As you can see, this is not been opened. Okay, so this is a Xenon motherboard. This means it is the original revision. As you can tell by the manufacture date of 8/5/2009. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Oh, it's serviced. This has been serviced. Okay. Alright, well, besides the normal rattles and dirt and everything, it seems to be okay. So let's go down to the basement and check. Okay, so I have it all hooked up. It's hooked into the CRT. I should have the settings where it shouldn't be too bad. I did have to steal the power cord out of my boxed Halo 3 Xbox 360 because that's the only one I had that was compatible with this motherboard. So I guess let's see what she does. No red ring, please. Okay. Oh, it's an XC. I was hoping to be blades. Today? Maybe? Oh. Oh, great. It's got the red light. Actually, I think, if I remember correctly, I had another system that was doing this, and I think it's a disk drive. Let me look it up. Yes, so that error is actually the disk drive, and I had that happen on my 360 Slim. So what I actually ended up doing was replacing the SATA cable, and then it worked. So I might have to do that with this one, but I really hate taking these apart. So I guess I could try that? Okay, so in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see what's on the hard drive, because like I said, it was untested, and based on this, more than likely Goodwill did not go through and wipe anything. So let's see what's on the hard drive at least. I just went ahead and plugged it into my Halo 3 360, and we'll kind of go from there. Ooh, we have a profile. Let's see. The Cleveland Kid. Well, that makes sense. This did come out of Ohio. I know you can't really see that, but let me go into the settings and change. Okay, that should be a little bit better. I would hook it up to my HD TV, but I am lazy, so. Alright, let's look at their profile here. The Cleveland Kid, Brian Clunk, doxed. Let's see, what was their last played game? 2016! Okay, so that explains why we're on an XC. And it was NBA 2K11, NFL 16, no gamer score. Really? You only got 3 achievements in Halo 3? Come on, man. What achievements did you get? Triple kill, killing frenzy, a close and personal. Okay, so you just played multiplayer. That's nice. Madden, COD 4, Skate. It's not the first time this was offline. 2011, 2010, 2010. Offline 09, 09. Okay, so 08. So apparently they got the console sometime before, well, either 07 or 08. And then it needed servicing in 09. So I believe this was a second-hand console, or this is just their second account. Is there any games? Any games? Bank Shot Billiards, Mortal Kombat 3 demo, Uno, which came on everything. Yeah, so how many gigs is this hard drive? I think it's 20. Yeah, 20 gig hard drive. Anything good on here? Just the demos, game saves. FX Now. People use that? ESPN, oh god. GTA 4 saves. HBO Go? HBO Now? What? Yeah, a bunch of sports games, Netflix, Rock Band, a bunch of dude bro stuff. The Bourne Conspiracy, that's an interesting game to play. Vivo, oh god. 360 dashboard, music, and okay. So yeah, there's really not a whole lot in here. Avatar items, anything? Up, 2K jerseys, UNSC Infinity hoodie. I think these were awards from Halo 4. These are probably from 2K as well. So yeah, just the one profile. All right, well, yeah, nothing too spectacular going on. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is for this. I'll go ahead and change that SATA cable at some point, and then I'll make an updated video if anything goes wrong. If not, then you'll know that everything worked well. Like I said, it's just probably the SATA cable. If not, it's just the disk drive, which I can replace. I do have an extra somewhere from another FAT360 that I have, but in the meantime, yep, this is just more slim garbage that I have. I guess the star of the show today has been the wonderful little Halo 3 Xbox that we got over there, and its complete box has the controller and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Disappointment, it wasn't blades, and I mean, what do you expect for $10? So I don't know how to end this. Birds aren't real.